I will do it the presentation again. So with really quick, is Blackhat SEO still work in 2024? And my name is Alan. So a little disclaimer, yes, it's educational purpose only. So we cover all these 6 topics. And about me is I'm not a hacker, I'm not an agency, I'm not an affiliate. So I'm just a developer doing SAS now. So I like to share everything I know for SEO, Blackhat SEO. So I'm doing the Blackhat SEO in a legal way because I know a lot of illegal way to do Blackhat SEO, but I'm doing the SEO around maybe 3 years ago, and I will share some Blackhat SEO in both legal and illegal ways. So for my story, I'm doing the AdSense loading. The AdSense loading is if you monetize your website with AdSense, you could do it a Blackhat way with AdSense loading. For example, you create your own ad, and sometimes the Google will pay you really high. For my example, in 2023, some India guy teach me to how to do AdSense loading by just you create your own ad and your own ad from your own website, and then the Google will pay you $100 per click. So I did earn some money for in 2023. For example, it's like $4,000 a month per every website I own. But in 2024, they changed the monetized policy from CPC to CPM, so everything is dropped. So for 2024, I just got like $40 per website per month. So I would like to more traffic to monetize in another way. But I got some, for example, I got some business in my country that could monetize traffic. So I create a lot of website since 2023, maybe this year. Here's some example. For example, this one got 1,000 daily click in 3 months, and then 1,500, 2,500, and this is another website. I doubled it for 4K to 8K traffic in 2 months, and another website and I got 1,000 daily click in 3 months. Another site was 1,500, 1,000 in 3 months, another 1,500, another 500, another 1,400, and another 400 daily click, and another 400, and another 400, and another 200 daily click. And this one is a spike, suddenly increased traffic in using a Blackhat way. For example, it got 0 click, but after that, I use a Blackhat way, so it's increased from 0 to 6,000 daily organic traffic in just 1 day, and it can keep like 3 months or 4 months. It will slowly decrease, but it will get a lot of traffic from it. So basically, despite I didn't get a lot of traffic, for example, 1 million traffic, but I did create a lot of website that is work. That means that this way to monetize your website, your business is really working fine. You just need to create a lot of website and get monetized with those traffic. So the first thing I did is spider pool. The spider pool is just you trap the Google bot from the internet, because Google bot will send the crawling budget, the Google bot, to crawl your website every single day. For the normal scenario, you got like 1,000 Google bot every single day in your website. But using the spider pool, you could trap the Google bot in just one small website. For example, this website got total crawl requests like 300K in just one single day. You can do as much as you want. What you need to do is just a very simple source code to trap all those Google bots. You can do a lot of things with it. But the bad thing is your website will be 100% CPU usage at all time. So here's the source code. You may want to watch it later. It's for the spider pool. It just random extract the content from your database based on the URL the Google crawled it. Here's the database example. So it's another it's a real case study of my Google bot. So it's not Google bot, it's Google spider pool. It's in Chinese, but what you find it out is if you click on the URL at the bottom, for example this one, it will redirect to another page. This another page is random generated by the MySQL server. So it's based on the URL, and then it random extract the content from the your database. So if the Googlebot comes in the first page, they will find unlimited Google URL. For example, oh, this is a new URL. Oh, I click on it, and then you see, oh my God, it's a new content. So they got unlimited Google crawler for your website. For example, 300k, 1000k every single day for your website. So all you need to do is just you set your A record. You just set your A record like this, the wildcast, and then what can you do with this spider pool? Because if you want to rank your website for your industry, for example, you're ranking it like casino, like CBD, for example, is finance, whatever industry niche, you have to get a list that is easy rank that someone cannot find it out from Ahrefs or even SEMrush. For example, I use Spider Pool. I could create, for example, one domain. I could create 100 to 1,000 or 2,000 easy ranking keyword. Because these keyword from the Search Console, from the Spider Pool, they is a city content. Even though a city content can get a click, you can imagine that if you rank those keywords from your main website, it will get like position 1 to 3 in the next day. Yes, so you have to using the spider pool, you got a lot of crawler, you got a lot of impression for your industry, so you can collect a lot of easy ranking keyword from using this trick. And another example is you can get some fast traffic from your industry. For example, this one is just 3 days. You can get 100 from using this one. And also, if you do the spider pool, the cost for every domain, they are going to buy just $1, $2, or $3 US per domain, because they are using some second-hand domain to create it. For example, those domains are going to expire within 1 month, so they buy those domains to do spider pool. Because spider pool will get punished by Google within two weeks. So you using this trick, get a fast traffic and also a list of good easy ranking keyword using this trick. So here's my another example. For example, it's just 0 traffic to around 2,000 traffic in just around 2 weeks. So you get a fast traffic from your industry. You can monetize it. And also another way to use spider pool is just fast indexing. You can redirect using 301 to redirect all those traffic, redirect all those Google bot to your target page. For example, if your website got some pages never get indexed, you can do using this way, because you don't have enough crawling budget. You redirect all those Google bot into your target page, so your page will index very fast. Also, if you got AI content, for example, you use coding AI content, you create 1,000, 10,000 new article from your website, so you can redirect all those Google bot into your target page to get indexed really fast. So another way is collect a good source of easy ranking keyword. For example, this one got 500. And also remember to enable the byte data export from your Google Search Console, or you can get those easy ranking keyword. Oh, so it's another source code. It's another source code that's for I think it's this one. Yes, it's for the Google Search Console API. It could extract all those keyword and ranking from the target dates you want. For example, 2020 and 2024. You can extract all those keywords from your website. It is written by Python. Yeah, you guys can use it. And another thing is byte traffic. Here's another example. My friend did it. It's for casino industry. For his cases is Chinese, but it's like 20k per 1 day. You can get 20k within 1 day, and using this trick, 20k organic traffic just 1 day. So how can he do that? Because he put in good quality expired domain. He found it out and put it into spider pool. He used expired domain for that. So if you want to use the spider pool, there's a software provider written in Chinese. You guys search it in Google and find it out. So the second thing is negative SEO. For my experience, I got a lot of website got de-indexed and punished because I'm using the Blackhat SEO, the spider pool way. If you create a spider pool, the spider pool will get Google de-indexed and punished within 2 weeks. So my friend said, oh, you can use those websites to punish your opponent or your target website. For example, is my another website got Google punished using the Blackhat SEO, the spider pool. I redirect all those 301 traffic to this website. It's already ranking good, but it got the index and everything got punished for this another website. So what we can do is you just redirect those punished traffic by Google bot, by spider pool. For example, this traffic and into your target website. For example, I test it out. For example, this website got a bad review for someone. It's a call, just got free search result from the internet. I redirect 301 those Google bots spider pool traffic into the target website, and it got the index the whole website. What just happened? Because if for the spider pool you build spider pool, you use, for example, 1,000 or 100 domain, and also these 100 domain got punished or de-indexed by Google. They think you are doing bad thing, Blackhat SEO, and you can redirect 301s all those traffic into your target website. So the target website will be thinking about, oh, Google will thinking about, oh, this website is part of them, so I de-index them also. Yes, here's how you can de-index other people's website. And also, you can using this way, but don't do it because it's illegal. You can redirect all those Google bot requests to your target website. For example, is my example for the spider pool. The spider pool got 1.65 million requests into my single city website I just saw within 24 hours. So this 24 hours, if you redirect all those requests to your target page, it's equal to a DDoS, right? So another way to de-index or attack someone's website, but don't do it because it's not really good, it's illegal. So another case study I tested out is my own website because I'm attacking my own website. So within about 2 weeks, my whole website got de-indexed. So it's a very powerful way using this trick to de-index the target page or de-index your opponent website using this way. Here's another example. My website, I de-index my own website for testing. So the first thing is PBN, because PBN is really important for the Blackhat SEO. We call it website cluster in the Chinese version. What you need to do, remember to proxy, using CDN to proxy hide your site IP, because Google may find it out, oh, the IP is all the same, so it's the same person using the PBN trick. So remember to hide your website using the Cloudflare CDN. For example, and I found it out how to host 1,000 sites in just one WordPress backend using this Google method. They call it table prefix. For example, you got an ABC website, you use this source code, put it into WordPress config.php, and you can using this trick to build 1,000 WordPress website in different theme, different layout, but also different content, but using just one WordPress backend. You can log into every single website with same username, password, and also you can do it within just like a 16 core CPU VPS. You can host like 1,000 websites. You don't need to buy PBN servers from the other other provider. Just something like this. If you specify your table prefix into the WordPress, you will find it out. Oh, the WordPress will find out. Oh, this 5 table is for one website, and this 3 table is for another website. So they can show different content within it. So here's another thing. If you want to enable some plugin for the WordPress, they're reading the database from the active plugin, and also if you edit the string from this one in the WordPress option table, you can enable some plugin from one website and disable another plugin for this website. You can control everything controllable. So if you want to enable one theme for a website and another website so another themes, so you just edit the WordPress option from the template or style sheet in the database. And also, if you want to display any other blog, every single website you show a different blog. For example, a list of AI content for website A, another website list content for the website B. So you can use this one WordPress code and WordPress meta. You upload your AI content into the PBN. So for example, here's one website. You can show different layout, different content, and the another site which is also the same VPS you are hosting, but their different layout. You can find it out is a PBN because they are using different layout and also showing the different content. But using this trick, you can host 1,000 website into one WordPress, just editing the source code here. So another thing is the spider domain, because a spider domain is really, really important for your industry or your SEO purpose. It's a regular expression. You can crawl from the website. You can extract all the URL from the website using this regular expression. For example, I will crawl it like Yellow Pages. Here's from the Vietnam. They got Yellow Pages. They list out all the website from all the industry. You just web scraping them. For example, I can show you. For example, here's another. I record the Indonesia and then the Vietnam Yellow Pages. For example, keep calling, they find another URL, and then it could put in all the domain they found. They could put it into the database, and they will find out all the domain they found. The last thing you do is just ping it and whether see is it expired or not. For example, this one I got call it like 10k, around 10k, 8k expired domain using this trick. You just need to web calling the expired domain from the Yellow Pages, and then you can use it for your industry, right? So let's see. Another thing, if you want to see this expired domain, the quality of the expired domain, is it good or bad? You just use the double quote and search it from the internet, from the Google. If you find it out, oh, this one got 89 results, maybe 100 or 200 is a good quality expired domain. If you find this, because already some other website, they mentioned this URL in their website, so they got a backlink profile already for this expired domain. You just need to use double quote to search it. If you find it out, oh, they got a lot of search results, so that's mean that is a good quality expired domain. Also, you will find it out what is this expired domain work for before. For example, it's a babysitting industry for this domain. You using this trick to check it out really, really fast. So yes, here's another case study I shared. I just share some expired domain lists for Vietnam and Indonesia. And the fifth thing is the web shell or reverse proxy, because it's a malware or something like a backdoor. You inject it in your website and someone can change anything you want. You could use it, for example, to reverse proxy. It's so that your own website, this website got hacked, will show another content. For example, this one is already hacked, but is already recovered. For example, this website got hacked, and someone used Spiderpool to index all those web pages for a very normal, for example, this like a tourist website. So what they're doing, they are just hacking someone's website. For example, it's a government website. They got hacked and inserted the backdoor, They use reverse proxy to show your own website pages content, so that the Google bots will call it, oh, they find it out, oh, it's a government domain, but they are iGaming casino keyword and things into it. So I index it really quick. They use Spider-Pool to index all the pages, for example, 1000k pages within 1 day, and then they will show it really high in the search result because it's a government. So people search it, for example, slot game in Indonesia, something like that. They will find it out, oh, it's a government website. They click on it, and then they redirect those traffic into the casino. So people using this trick to hack someone's website and insert the reverse proxy code into it, and show some redirect all those traffic from it into a target website. So it's just an example. It's a government website, but they're showing some very not normal content from other industry. It's just Blackhat and reverse proxied. So here's some example, but it's already recovered by the site owner. Here's an example. As you can see, is another website suddenly got like 70k organic traffic per month because they're using this trick. This is another website. They got like 220k organic traffic suddenly because someone is using this trick by web shell. Oh, it's a reverse proxy source code. So if you using this trick, maybe you can get 100k traffic within 10 minutes because you just insert those reverse proxy code into the target website. But if you do it in the white hat SEO, if you want a 100k traffic, it take you like 1 year, something like that. So I found it out. Maybe some website sell in the Telegram, for example, 800 website, they just sell it like $50, but it's illegal, so please don't do it. So the last thing is the clocking, because clocking is very important. Clocking is just the content you present to your search engine is different from you present to the user. For example, the user visit your website, they got redirect. But the search engine visit your website, it didn't get redirect. So, for example, if you use clocking, you get a higher conversion rate, you get a lot of traffic, and also you can do it for the web shell. Here's my normal SEO process because I'm using this. It's a very normal SEO process, but it's a bad process because, for example, people visit your website, they scroll it like 50%, and then they pop up and ask you, oh, do you want to subscribe or leave your email? Maybe they click on the pop up, and then they finally land on your landing page. For 100 visitor, maybe they just got 1 visitor to land on your landing page, but it is a normal SEO process for my case study. For example, I use the pop-up or collect lead rate to monetize my own business. Here's I got a 500k impression for my pop-up for some in-content light spot post footer pop-up, but I got only 3,000 conversion. The conversion rate is just like around 1%. Yeah, so if those keyword is a very long tail keyword from the SEO traffic, you're using this normal way to monetize, you will get a very little revenue using this one. But if after that, someone tweets me, oh, use clocking. When a normal visitor visit your website, will 100% redirect to your target landing page. So 0 raise. It will 10x your result, but the traffic will drop eventually. So here's my example. I use clocking, maybe this one here. The traffic you can see will drop, but the revenue will you can monetize really fast using this way, because all those traffic will be landing on your landing page. You can monetize it really fast, so the money come back really fast. So yeah, it's just faster monetization using this way to cover your server cost or something, domain cost, something like that. So here's a Googlebot user agent list for the crawler or spider. You may find it out. You can remember to collect all those Googlebot IP into your MySQL, because Google bot may not 100% using this user agent to visit your website. They will use a normal user agent to visit your website to see, oh, is this guy using clocking, or is this guy showing something different content to the visitor? So remember to collect all those Google bot IP address into your MySQL database. For example, I have collected it like a 100K, and also I have shared it for this URL. You can get it. Yes, it's another bot. We record the bot amount in the MySQL. For example, you record all those Google bot amount into your website in your MySQL. Use a source code. For example, oh, this website got 50,000 Google bot every single day. So it's a combo for me. For example, using my way, all those websites I just sold. For example, the 1,000 organic click per day. All those website for my industry. How do I build it? Because I'm using the spider pool to collect some easy ranking keywords. Also, I use the spider domain and put it into my PBN, and I will put in some AI content for every single keyword for it. And then I will use the spider pool to fast indexing. For example, you got 100K AI content, you use spider pool to index it within just 1 week. So it get really fast. And if you got the traffic, remember to clocking it to your landing page, so it get really fast monetization. But everything I did is a legal way, right? But if you are a hacker or something like that, some hacker is using this and that combo for Blackhat SEO. For the most powerful Blackhat way, I think it will work in the next 10 years. Yes, because you just hack someone's website, your web shell, and do the reverse proxy, and then use the spider pool to index those reverse proxy website, the content you just insert. And then last thing, you just clocking. For example, some hacker hacks a government website, GOV, and then you reverse proxy to show their own website content. Last thing is just use spider pool to index those content really fast, so that if they got traffic, they clocking to your target web page. It's illegal. So, but my friend using this trick, they got 1 million traffic every single day for his own casino industry. Yes, but it's an illegal way. So yeah, it's not, never do it. So that's it.